Okay, so let's talk about pre-image resistance of a hash function, or a function that is pre-image resistance. So let's start to talk about what is, or what pre-image is. When we are looking at a function, let's call it f of x, gives me y, for example. F of x is y, so from x I get y, so x is the pre-image and y is the image. So pre-imaging attack, for example, in cryptography, means that if I have y, I can know from which x this y came using the function that I used, for example f. So it's good for cryptographic function, cryptographic hash function, for example SHA function, to be pre-image resistance. Namely, if I get a number, I don't know which value I used to get this number in the hash function. I don't know x given y. And this is the importance in cryptographic hash functions, for example, to be pre-image resistance. Given some gibberish that came from some hash function, I don't know which value I entered the hash function to get this gibberish or something, to get this long string that I get. And this is pre-image resistant, that I cannot know. It's very hard to know what input I gave the function to get the value I just look at, for example, after hashing. This so function that it is very hard to know what value is used to get the value we are looking at, the image of a function. The functions that are resistant to this are called pre-image resistant functions.